Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pay to Trade. So today I'm going to be covering mastering the futures market with 5 essential tips for day trading success. Sorry if that sounds cheesy, but that's how we're going to roll today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. All right, so tip number 1, you have to find a strategy that works, even if it only works a third of the time. Finding a strategy that works is like searching for the perfect avocado in the grocery store. The one that's just ripe enough but not overripe. It's that kind of a strategy. But remember, it's not about winning all the time. Even if that strategy only works just a third of the time, you can still make some guacamole. I mean, profits, but you know what I mean. Manage your risks wisely. Tip number 2, you have to be ready to lose. Losing trades suck. It's like getting a paper cut on your trading ego, but fear not. Remember that walking away with a small loss allows you to live to trade another day. Think of it as a strategic retreat. You may lose a battle, but you'll come back stronger for the next one. And tip number 3, are you willing to risk part of your hard earned account on this next trade setup? You have to imagine you're in a pie-eating contest and you've already devoured several delicious slices. Now there's this gigantic pie sitting in front of you, tempting you with its sweet, sweet aroma. But wait a minute. Before you dive in face first, you have to ask yourself, is it worth risking a potential pie-induced tummy ache for this trade? If it leaves you with a feeling of uncertainty in your gut, pun intended, it's time to put the fork down and reconsider your appetite for risk. Tip number 4, profit targets. Oh boy, this one's a tricky little devil. It's like dealing with a vending machine that just keeps teasing you with the promise of a delicious treat. Don't adjust your profit targets unless you've got enough profit locked in. It's like saying, hey, Mr. Market, if you want more from me, you better show me the money first. Lastly, tip number 5, accountability. Now, this one is like having a trading therapist. Journaling your trades is like pouring your trading heart on paper. It's like telling your laptop, listen here, my dear friend, let's talk about that trade and how it made me feel. And hey, sharing that journal with someone who matters to you adds a whole new level of accountability. It's like having a trading buddy who will give you that disappointed look when you mess up. Trust me, it can hurt, but in a good way. All right, that's it. These 5 things I've applied to myself and I've seen the change. Um, I think you might be able to take at least one of these and apply it to yourself, and it should help you in your trading journey. If you took away at least one thing that you think is a good thing, or if you thought this video was way too cheesy, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.